everyone, we're going to decide whether inductive or deductive reasoning is used to reach the conclusion and explain our reasoning on these four statements. So we get started with number 14, and here is some information about inductive versus deductive reasoning. Deduction is usually formal logic, and induction is informal or like everyday arguments. So let's look at the examples and then compare. While shopping for a product, you notice that brand A is more expensive than brand B. You conclude that brand A is of a higher quality than brand B. So that would be induction. You're drawing uncertain inferences based on probabilistic reasoning. It's also based, the conclusion is a conjecture based on your perception from a specific example. So you're talking about specifics, and induction is usually dealing with specific. So that's induction or inductive reasoning. Okay, the next one, because brand A costs $1.50 and brand B costs $1, you conclude that brand A product is 50% more expensive. Now that's deduction. It begins with the general, ends with the specific. The conclusions are reached at certain inevitable and inescapable conclusions. On this one, the conclusion is based on a computation of the actual percentage of the given values. So this is deductive reasoning. I'll just put deduction. All right, and 16 states, it normally takes you 20 minutes to walk home from school. By walking faster one day, you make it in 15 minutes. The following day, you make it in 12 minutes. You conclude that you can make the trip in as little as 10 minutes. This is more induction. You're using your own specific personal reasons. It's based off observation. And so basically it means that the conclusion is a conjecture based on your intuition. So induction is really associated with intuition as well. Intuition is good, but it's induction. All right. On 17. On the first meet of the year, J.D., Bob, and Raul finished the race in a tie. In the final meet of the year, Raul finishes way ahead of Bob and DJ. Having seen both races, you conclude that Raul trained the hardest. Well, the conclusion is conjecture based on your own race observation rather than actual training effort. So this is more intuition type thing. So this is inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.